What going on, my people? So I'm introducing something new to my program that I call lyrics, where I will take a song and extract the lyrics from it, dissecting it, and who best to start with than the lyricist himself, vybz Kartel. And I am personally giving vybz Kartel the title of the best intelligent lyricist ever to grace the mic. You know what I mean? And he took the title by doing a song to prove it. It's called Lyricist. I don't know who remember, but in 2010, they were saying that Kartel run out of lyrics. Even I don't did a video calling him out, say he's taking away bread out of Mavado's mouth because he was doing a lot of singing song. You know what I mean? So he did a song follow up after that saying he's the lyricist. And we're going to be dissecting into this song. You know what I mean? Because Kartel is the best lyricist, and I personally am giving him the title for that, ever to grace the mic. You know what I mean? In this song, Lyricist Part 1, you can hear two individuals narrating, saying, one say, Kansi, you know, see your friend Kartel run out of lyrics. And like Kansi reply and say, watch your temperature, man, you need to cool down. Kartel are the baddest lyricist around here, so. And you can hear Kartel jumping in, saying, so what them implying? The teacher have to sing line, DJ not in mind, cock up your nose for the sting crime. Wiki like St. James, Kingston and St. Catherine crime. Roll out with the shooters to kill time. No boxers Calvin Klein. No boy want get me out for reach the big time. You're not no patient. Mash up your clock and try to kill time. People, listen the enunciation and the alliteration of Kartel lyrics. That's why he's the lyricist. We're going to dissect into that. That's just the intro of his song. He didn't even go into the chorus yet. That's just the intro. When he said what they're implying, the teacher have to sing line. Listen how connect the rhyme is. Listen how he enunciate his rhymes. People, that's why Kartel is the best lyricist, because no one alliterate their words in such an articulated way. You know what I mean? And go into the chorus now when he said roll out with the shooters to kill time. People, that's figurative and that's a literal term. And it still rhyme and it still connect like Wi-Fi. You know what I mean? And that's to show you how well versed this person is, and his thought is well calculated, because the rhyme is so connected, people, it makes you look like, wow, this is what this guy is really saying, and it makes perfect sense, because rolling out, he's saying that he roll out with shooters and time, you're gonna kill time. You know what I mean? So that's a double rhyme there, because shooters to kill time. You get it? So it's a double rhyme there. You know what I mean? And people, if I was to dilute this, just the chorus or the intro of Kartel song, if I should dilute the intro of Kartel song, I can make 5 songs out of it, give to some of these artists. You know what I mean? But on to the chorus now, when he must say, me still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. People, when he said he's the still a lyricist, vocabulary physicist. A physicist is someone that specializes in something. And he's saying that he specialized in lyrics and in vocabulary. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphics images. Right away is just is terminology, and the way is, as I said, I'm going to use this a lot, alliterate itself. That to show the legitimacy of him taking the title. Because even when he said, I'm the vocabulary physicist, Melody Michelangelo will print the graphics images, he's giving you a vivid description of what he's saying, what he's doing. You know what I mean? So he articulates that. You know what I mean? And that's a good way to put a lyrics. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphics images. Get a condom for your ears, because that tune you shot like syphilis. Syphilis, everybody know, a disease that you get shot in Jamaica, as they call it. So he used that again as a double rhyme. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm saying. Is double rhyme, is puns. They're so connected with each other, the way how he intertwines things. You see me? So that's why I think he's the lyrical god. You see me? I say my people, because not every artist can really do this. You see me? So when he say, still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist, melody Michelangelo will paint the graphics images, get a condom for your ears because the tune that shot like syphilis. With the title, hey, give me this. Empire is the wickedest. I'm the baller and the manager. Alex Ferguson and vybz. Me staying from like Genesis. Genesis is referring to the Bible, because you know Genesis is the first book of the Bible. So that's what he means. He's staying front like Genesis. Who want to penny this? You know what I mean? To penny mean to watch, for all who don't know. And that's what I'm saying. This alliteration of his word and his puns, they are so connected and intertwined, and it makes perfect sense because of the delivery, the enunciation. And if any artist can really do this, I don't see any artist doing it. You see me? He said, me touch green grass, make it catch fire. Some boy in the tugs me sit through them like mesh wire. People, the aptness of what he's saying is that green grass, people, you know, if you light it in Jamaica, it's something that you can't even catch fire because it's so green. You know what I mean? That's how art he's saying he is. It's like he's a lava ground, and he's right, because the lyrics that he's spitting is really connecting with each other. So every bar is a lyrics taking the title away from anyone that thinking or doubting that Kartel was the lyricist or is the lyricist. Every punch, every line, there's a punch, there's a bar. You know what I mean? More bar than Cell Block. You know what I mean? So that's to show you how lyrically inclined this person is. You see me? So this is why I'm telling you this lyric section is going to be dedicated to the lyric god himself, which is vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? So people, please to subscribe, share, and get involved. Send me a song that you like, that you think we can dissect. Because I'm just trying to analyze what these artists are thinking. It's not my lyrics. We're just dissecting it at our best knowledge of what these artists are thinking. You know what I mean? So get involved. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
God, see, let's see your friend Kartel run out of lyrics for you. You, to watch your temperature, man. You need to cool down. vybz Kartel are the baddest lyricists around us.
Lyricists what?
Oh, you mean? Them man there, lyrically inclined.
So what them implying? The teacher have to sing line, DJ not in a mind. Cock up your nose for the sting crime at the king time. Me wicked like St. James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime. Roll out with the shooters, the kill kind. No boxers, Calvin Klein. No boy want get me out for reach the big time. Me sleep and wake up and them still trying. You don't have no patience, mash up your clock and try to kill time. But me still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a condom for your ears because that tune shot like syphilis. For the title, hey give me this. Empire is the wickedest. I'm the baller and the manager. Alex Ferguson and vybz. Me stay in front like Genesis. Yes, who want to penny this? Yes, me find the metaphors for Jay-Z them and beginnings. And char them up like Winterfresh. And spit them out like Wrigley's. Me hat, me touch green grass, make it catch fire. Some one the thugs me see through them like mesh wire. Yes, I them license expire. Me rub them out like me Benz tire. Me meds higher than angel from heaven's fire. Burn them with the hell's fire. A prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire, them all coming and me beg to cool the temperature. Them enkaya, them linger here. Junkie gal, needle and syringe wear. Christian gal, ginger beer. Rasta gal we injure here. Me float like the town cable. It no fable, no nights off the round table. Tell other man even can't, so me don't able. Them boy they take me style, yet them so brazen. But crush on me float like the town cable. It no fable, no nights off the round table. The boy them bite me style, get them so craven. Them come be like the big fat gal, them so raven. Me and the Portmore pioneer, me and my woman the finine here. Not try that my dear, but me and you make a nice fear. Take my advice dear, get it out of your head like lies here. Me loving her forever, if life's fear. You don't know me Afghanistan, you only know me Times Square. You see me in a the Benz, changing 5 gear. I drink street vibes like it's like beer. On private jet me fly here, Addis, no Nike here. Me skin paint up like bike flare. Back at the easy street, you know the Elm Street, the nightmare. The days when me used to take the bus and can't find fear. Just slot off with the virus, me have spyware. The way my brain fertile. style. America won't invade and drill for I here. They can't see. Them boy they no fancy. Them a Nancy. Me lyrics wear them out like a Yancy. Them shaming at the crowd and every man see. Them fans give them thumbs down. Me a thugs and them a Bugs Bunny. Me flow like the turntable. It don't table. No nights off the round table. Tell Adam and even Kane, send me down able. Them boy they take me style, yet them so brazen. But Russian me flow like the turntable. It no fable. No nights off the round table. The boy them bite me style, yet them so craven. Them coming like the big fat gal, them so raven. Hey Russian, if you know this is not a throwaway song to some queers on them gangs, for them build some mediocre counteraction songs. No, it's just a reminder to the fans, to the one order, to the clans, that Vybz Kartel can still drop these lyrical bombs. My flow like the turntable.